jolly afternoon to each and everyone, because today we are here to celebrate Ayel's first birthday.
Si Ayel ay isang makulit na baby, maliksi. Si Ayel kasi, mabait siyang baby. Never akong nahirapan sa kanya with regards to
Pagka umiiyak siya, may mga bagay ka lang na ibigay sa kanya, hindi siya, maagaw mo kagad yung attention niya.
Sobrang lovable, sobrang malambing. And ewan ko, sobrang likot niya, which is okay lang din kasi masaya.
Let's welcome our birthday celebrants Ayel together with their parents, Mommy Yan and Daddy Pearl. Let's all give them a warm round of applause.
Take it from me. Up on the shore, they work all day. Out in the sun, they slave away. While we devoting full time to floating under the sea.
Ayel, happy birthday anak.
Hello, Ayel. Happy birthday ulit.
Thank you kasi dumating ka sa buhay namin.
Gusto ko lang naman, enjoyin mo na lang muna yung mga days na baby ka kasi tanda mo, hindi mo na magagawa yung mga bagay na yun.
Gagawin lahat ni Mami tsaka ni Daddy para sa'yo, para maging masaya ka.
Love ka namin. Kung siguro kung mapanood mo to ng meron ka ng muwang, meron ka ng isip, siguro marirealize mo yung mga bagay na ginawa namin para sa'yo.
Yung mga hindi namin nagawa before, gagawin namin yung best namin para ma-experience mo. Kasi gusto ko maramdaman mo kung ano yung pwede namin ibigay, yung pagmamahal na kaya namin ibigay sa'yo. Kahit anong gusto mong marating, susuportahan ka namin.
Mahal ka namin ni Mami mo. Love you. Happy birthday.
Andito lang ako lagi para sa'yo. Love na love ka ni Mami.
The bass plays the brass, the chop plays the top. The fluke is the duke of soul. The ray he can play the links on the strings. The drum rocking out, the blackfish he sings. The smelt and the sprat, they know where it's at. And oh, that blowfish blows. Under the sea, under the sea, under the sea, under the sea. Where there's a deep beginning, it's music to me. What do they got? A lot of sand. We got a hard crustacean band. Each little still knows how to wheel you. That's why it's harder under the water. Yeah, we lock you down in the muck here under the sea.
Ayel, happy birthday anak. Ala, iiyak ako agad. Ano ba yan? Iyakin ako. Ayun, thank you kasi dumating ka sa buhay namin.
Happy first birthday, Ayel!
Gagawin lahat ni Mami tsaka ni Daddy para sa'yo, para maging masaya ka. Ano ba?
Happy birthday, Ayel!
We love you!